So we're gonna walk through this wooded area and we're gonna see the Grand Canyon for the very first time. Hear the dog in the back? She wants to go, but she has to stay. Windows are down, she's got good air. All right, here we go.
Hi, welcome to the American Road Trip. Today we are heading to the Grand Canyon in Arizona. Just before getting there, we will stop at the campground called Grand Canyon Camper Village, located in Tasayan. In the morning, we'll head north on Highway 64 to Pie Creek Vista, where we will get a first look of the Grand Canyon. And after, we'll head to Grandview Point, where there's great views and there's a hike down the side of the canyon. After this, we will head to the Visitor Center and see the main event, the Grand Canyon South and Mather Point. So, come join us as we take a look.
All right, here we go. This is pretty exciting. See the area right there. The boys are over there looking. They're already on the pathway.
This viewing area sits on the Rim Trail. It runs along the Grand Canyon South Rim from Hermit's Rest to the South Kebab Trailhead. It can be accessed by car or the Orange Shuttle, the Kebab Rim route, from the Grand Canyon Visitor Center.
Okay, we're gonna walk a little further over here to another area. Everybody's telling me we gotta go over here. So we're gonna go over here.
The park is 1,904 square miles. That's bigger than Rhode Island at 1,212 square miles.
And then your face is to be facing towards mommy here.
The Grand Canyon itself can be as much as 18 miles across, 277 miles long, and a mile deep. The weather was nice, a little on the cool side. In the summer, the temperature can get into the hundreds. That being said, when it is summer temperatures, heading down to the floor of the canyon, its temperature can be more than 25 degrees cooler. Close by to this area is a railing. The edge can be pretty close. Seeing the Grand Canyon for the first time at this place and knowing this was just one view of many was incredible to me.
That was a great, great first view. And I think one of the nice things about having an RV is there's not a lot of bathrooms around here. There's trees, but I think there'd probably be some people who would frown on doing the business outside. So have an RV, you have your own bathroom. Pretty nice. That's good. So you don't have to interrupt your sightseeing. Very exciting. Except for the dog. She can certainly use the trees.
We traveled further and found a nice pullout to get another great view. Here the view was just amazing, if not more amazing than the other places we viewed. Everywhere we looked, in every direction we looked, the view was just spectacular.
Well, turn the other way. Oh, it's licking the snow.
Is that right? What is this, man?
It's an elk. It's a female.
Elk.
Oh, it might be a male. It's got a horn.
Hi!
Oh, baby.
We did, Mom. You scared it.
Okay, so a couple of places we saw was just on the side of the road where some viewing areas. Now we're at a place called the Grandview viewing area. It looks like it actually takes you, it's like basically like a 360 degree or 180 degree view of the Grand Canyon. So there's lots of parking here for folks, and this is spectacular. This is going to be great.
The Grandview is the Grand Canyon's south rim's most southern point. You can get there by a 1-mile side road from Highway 64. From this view, you can see a wide bend in the Colorado River 4 miles away.
So this trail goes down from the Grand Terrace and lets you go down a ways. That's pretty exciting. And then up here, all kinds of view. All kinds. I mean, it's just so beautiful. Everywhere you look, there's just so much beauty in everything. And what do you take a picture of? I mean, there's so much. I mean, it's all natural stuff. Well, of course it's natural stuff. It's the Grand Canyon. It's absolutely incredible. So here I am on the trail, walking down. Family's already down here. Nice trail.
This trail was created by miners of a copper mine in the 1890s. It was created so that they could have a way to traverse the canyon quickly. They used cobblestone ramps and also created cribbing with logs that added a path to the side of the cliff using chains or steel pins. The trail heads toward Horseshoe Mesa, former site of the Last Chance copper mine. This point of the trail runs 3 miles. Hiking east from Horseshoe Mesa, about 4.5 miles, will take you through Redwall Limestone, close to the rim, Miner Spring, and Hance Canyon. Going west from Horseshoe Mesa, we'll head through Redwall Limestone and Cottonwood Creek.
We've just found a really nice place to basically have lunch in the RV, and it's in the middle of the woods. There's just nobody around here. It's a dirt road, so it's an access road, and I think it's just a place where people can go and ride bikes, and there might be a campground down there. Not sure. We haven't really went too far down that road, but I think it's basically what meant to be what we're doing now, and it's just an incredible, beautiful place. I like it a lot because it's got all these trees, and they're just, I mean, it goes for miles, literally miles. Here comes a car down the access road, and it's not far off the main road either. Pretty fantastic place. I think I like the Grand Canyon. This is really. Oh, I hear a woodpecker. Maybe I can get a shot of it. All right, this is really nice.
The Visitor Center is located at the South Rim. Here you can find maps, brochures, tours, and tickets. The staff can assist you with exhibits, hotel information, and also here is an IMAX theater. At the Grand Canyon Conservancy store, you can find books, DVDs, maps, and gifts, and also you can learn about geology and human history. From the Visitor Center, here is the pathway to our main event, the Grand Canyon and Mather Point. The Grand Canyon is one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. About 5 million visitors come here every year. The Grand Canyon was established in 1919 with President Woodrow Wilson. Tourists started coming here in the late 1800s. It stands at 1,000 feet more than here at the South Rim of 7,000 feet.
So this is the Mather viewing area, which is right next to the visitor center, and also some shopping areas. There's another view where everyone's going out where you get another 180-degree view, and it's just spectacular. This is also the most populated area too. Looks like just incredible views.
Mather Point is usually the first look for many visitors to the Grand Canyon because it's so close to the visitor center. It has 2 narrow, railed overlooks on projecting rocks. The Grand Canyon does something to the inner spirit. the heart of the person. It brings out the kid in everyone. The sense of discovering and the delightfulness of the beauty of the day, as though seeing God's creation and the enlightenment of His wonderfulness, bringing us closer to Him and loving every minute of it. So I sure am glad that you joined us. Thank you so much. We saw the Grand Canyon rim south and Mather Point. It was amazing, just incredible. Incredible views, lots of people there. Could still get some great pictures and great video. It was really, really neat. And we'll see you next time on The American Road Trip.